In this particular question, we're looking at the number of rolls of insulation material needed for lofts of different floor areas. The loft being the space in the roof of a house. And insulation is to keep the heat into the house. So this particular question, we've got a roof, the floor of the roof shaped like a C shape. So we've got to find the area. Now we're going to split it into rectangles. Now we could split it a line straight down like that, but I'm going to go for that way. So I've got 3 rectangles. Now the first rectangle is easy. It's 12 times 3, 36. Now notice I'm drawing on the diagram to make it clear where I'm referring to, but you could call these A, B and C and put A equals B equals and so on. So I could have done A equals 12 times 3, 36 square meters, which would be nice. And then B and C. Now C is 15 times 3, that's a nice easy one. It's 45 square meters. Now B is a little bit harder. It's not given either of the dimensions. So if we know this is 12 along the top here, this bit is 7, then this bit here must be 5, because 7 plus 5 equals 12. If we go down the side, we know the whole lot is 12. We know that is 3. That is 3. So this bit here must be a 6. So B is going to be 6 times 5, which is 30 square meters. So the total area is, we're going to add those up. 36, add 30, add 45. 30, 30 and 40 is 111. 111 square meters. I'd probably suggest you did that sum like this: 36, 30, 45, and did it 1, carried a 1, 6, 11. But however you do it, don't try and do it in your head in an exam situation, because it's very easy to make mistakes. Now each roll costs $4.50. Now 111 square meters. We haven't worked out how many rolls we need yet, so this is quite a tricky question, this one. 111. Now 110 won't be enough. Remember, it goes up in 5s. So we've got to buy 115 square meters. We want 115 square meters to cover. We have a little bit spare. Now 115. How are we going to do that? 40 and 40 and 35 will make 115. 40 is 8. 40 is 8. 35 is 7. So we need 16, 23 rolls. So the question boils down to, what is 23 times £4.50? It possibly could be a calculator question, but we should be able to do this without. So £4.50 or 4.5 times 23. Now again, if I was doing this personally, I would do 45 times 23 and then sort the decimal point out at the end, because I've multiplied this by 10. I would divide by 10. But as I said, there are lots of ways of doing this one. 45 times 23. Oh, we just do that on a calculator. Save a bit of time. Is 1035. So this gives the answer 1035, and we should be doing that by traditional methods. This answer here, if you think 420s are about 80, this can't be 1,000, so it must be 103. And that's because this one I've times by 10. So when I get the answer, I need to divide by 10. So, and because it's money, I have to put pounds and pence. I have to have 2 numbers for the pence.